Welcome to Eats and Travels. This is Calliopes in Houston, Texas. On West Belford, we go here. This is one of our favorite places to eat. In the mom's hand, this is a extra large po' boy. One side has hamburger, the other one side has chicken tenders. It is fully loaded. This is Calliopes in Houston, Texas, off of West Belford. Highly recommended. In the video, you're gonna see I got the gumbo. Just everything we ate at Calliopes. Again, I had the gumbo. Damon had the po' boy, half and half. Highly recommended. Again, this is one of our favorite restaurants. Also in the video, you will see that I got the egg rolls. Again, highly recommended. One of our favorite restaurants. Again, enjoy the video. Again, this is Calliopes in Houston, Texas. Again, I'm not going to do a lot of talking in this video. Again, enjoy. This is the seasoned fries. Again, gumbo, egg rolls, po' boy. Again, enjoy the video. This is French bread pizza. Again, go and look at the video where I made the French bread pizza, showcasing that again. It was amazing. Again, the other video is when we went to a trip in Aruba. Again, thank you for watching Eats and Travels. Please like and subscribe. Again, in the beginning of the video, we went to Calliopes in Houston, French bread pizza, Aruba. Again, please like and subscribe to the channel.
So yeah, day one, we made it to the hotel about, I don't know, about 3 o'clock, 3:30. We ate because we were tired, we were jet lagged. We had this little like restaurant at the hotel. The food was crappy, the service was crappy, and I'll never do that ever again. Well, eat at that,